Hey Year 5, final day of maths for the week. Remember to send us one piece of your maths learning to our email address. Today we're moving on to our new chapter of measurement. Sam drew 3 characters. Lulu measured their heights in millimetres. Can you work out what each of their heights are in centimetres? Spiky would have been 3 centimetres tall. Curly would be 3.5 centimetres tall, and Smiley would be 2.8 centimetres tall. Can you have a go at drawing yourself 3 stick figures of different sizes and measuring them accurately? You'll need your rulers that you took home with you, or a ruler from home, or if you're absolutely desperate, you might have to use a tape measure. Now let's look at some word problems. A red ribbon is 12 centimetres long. A blue ribbon is 12 millimetres longer than the red ribbon. Find the length of the blue ribbon in millimetres. Looks like Ravi's doing some useful thinking. 12 centimetres is how many millimetres? You might find that useful. Question 3. A book is 23 millimetres thick. How thick is it in centimetres? Again, it looks like Hannah's doing some useful thinking for us. Pause the video and try and solve their problems. Here's how I worked them out. So I used what Ravi was thinking, and I knew that 12 centimetres was the same as 120 millimetres. So if the red ribbon was 120 millimetres and the blue ribbon was 12 millimetres longer, it must have been 132 millimetres long. For question 3, I looked at the fact that 10 millimetres was 1 centimetre. So to get from millimetres to centimetres, I need to divide by 10. So if I've got 23 millimetres and I divide it by 10, that must be 2.3 centimetres. Have another go with these word problems. Elliot has a piece of string that is 25 centimetres long. He uses 120 millimetres of it. How much string is left? Give your answers in millimetres. You'll need to do some converting. And the next question. A stack of books is 35 centimetres tall. Charles removes a book that is 14 millimetres thick. Find the new height of the stack in centimetres. Again, you'll need to do some converting and convert it back again at the end. Pause the video now and have a go. So let's see how we got on. Hopefully these are the answers you've got, and if not, look at the workings out and work out where you went wrong. Your final challenge for today is to have a go at some measuring of the things you have at home. Can you convert your measurements from centimetres to millimetres and from millimetres to centimetres? Then try writing some of your own word problems, like the ones we've already solved. And finally, it's been a long time since I've been to the beach. Here's a photo from our trip to the beach last summer. Guess which one of the dogs was grumpy? Have a nice weekend.